Good morning, all the students of 5th standard. We are learning here ninth lesson of our history. Settled life and urban civilizations. In this lesson, we are learning. In this lesson, we have studied about the different types of metals. So, first of gold was discovered, but the gold metal is a little bit softer than other metal, so it is not used for making tools. So instead of gold, iron and copper metal was used. Later on, we have studied about the potters also there. First of all, the wheel was used by potter for making the pots. Now next one, trade and transport. In this point we have seen, so after the successful use of wheels, when the potter, when he began to use wheel for his business, for making the pots, then they start to be sell the products, or they start to be take the product from one place to another place. Transportations became easy because of wheel. Now the scale of production also increased there because of the wheel. Whatever the scale of production is there, that start to be increased, and along with that they start to send the product from one place to another place for in a quick period or in a short period of time. And along with that, trade business also start to be expanded. So therefore there need to be change an old system of transportations. Whatever the early system was there, they were using the animals, other different kinds of animals, otherwise other purposes they were using, or the method they were using for the transportations, that systems, they felt the need to be change the system then. So they began to use wheel carts for the transportations now. So it was a period that wheel vehicles start to be used in this specific period there. So they began to be used wheel vehicles or the carts, they began to use for transportations. Now the next one, there is a rise of script there, a rise of cities and the script. So obviously what is there, when the business start to be expand there, when the business start to accelerate, at that time there need to be keep or to maintain a record there. To maintain the record or info up to date informations, we need to be use a script there, or the different signs and symbols we have to be used to maintain the record. So how they begin to use the different sign and symbols, and how cities start to be developed, that we'll see through this lesson now, or through this point. Long distance trade, rapid transportations of goods, and center of large scale productions are factors that brought together peoples engaged into the different types of work. So some of the points are there. Long distance trade is there, means business, whatever the business we have started, it should be carried from one place to another place from the longer distance. Rapid transportations, quick transportations, quickly, rapidly, fastly, swiftly, we have to send uh, product from one place to another place. We have to take the product from one place to another place, or the commodity we have to take. Along with that, large scale production there, production quantity should be increased. For example, we are the potter, we are making the earthen pots, or the different types of pots we are making per day. If we are making 10 pots, then productions quantity should be increased large scale. Instead of 10 pots every day, if we have to be produced uh, more than 100 pots there. So production quantity, large scale production should be there. Along with that, people engage into the different types of work. So in this way, pottery industry there. Now only means of pottery is not there. Along with the potter, to make earthen pots, they have to use soil there. So soil, what is the specific soil is there, that type of soil they have to bring from the longer distance there, from there to here. And here they have to, when the potter, when he produce, earthen pots. Afterward, we have to take these pots into the different cities there. So in this way, different peoples they engage into the different types of work. So this gave rise to the different cities there. Along with the different cities, this gave rise for the production. This gave rise for the business there, and people they got means different jobs also or the work. It became necessary to be uh, keep permanent record of the expanding trade. We are doing the business, so it became necessary for us to be maintain the record of our business also. What are the means products we are manufacturing, we are producing, and we are selling here, to whom we are giving that record. It should be there in our home also. Sometime we maintain the record there, what things we have given to others from the shop. If we purchase some groceries or some other commodity there, so that record we will maintain. So it become necessary for the businessmen or for the traders also to be maintain a record there of their expanding business or the trade there or increasing productions. So for the purpose, they began to be use different sign and symbol there. How we also use the different types of sign and symbol we use. Sometimes if we are angry, our facial gesture is different. If you want to call someone, then we can call with a different sign and symbol. If you want to tell keep quiet, then also we can make different sign and symbol we use to tell keep quiet or sit down. So like same way, in a little bit different way there, to maintain the record they began to use the different sign and symbols there. And so in this way it's already be used there to keep out, to maintain the record they began to use the different sign and symbols there. So broken pieces of clay pots or the potsherds and such signs have been found on the large number during excavation. So to maintain the record, they were at that time there were no pages, so they were writing there all the sign and symbol on the potsherds or the broken clay pots there, on the different plates, copper shades, or on the wall, on the stones. They start to be right there. So increasing in the trade productions and the growth in the volume of record to be kept resulted in much modification and improvement in the sign and symbol. So there was a upgradation was there, or to their right, their sign and symbols were there. In that some changes started there. They start to be upgrade. They start to make more changes in it. Development started there for the in their record there. So in this way, uh, culture. We can say that each and every culture has developed its own script there. For example, Maharashtra culture is there, Maharashtrian people tradition there, our own script is there, our own language is there. Like same way, they began to use their own, or they began to develop their own script or the languages. So remaining the last one point, social organizations into the ancient city. That this one point we'll see in tomorrow's video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.